Sleek. What has been the key takeaways for you from this fourth edition of India Kitchen Congress 2014?
You had quite a few sessions which were related to the kitchen industry, covered by the industry experts. So it was good to have an idea about what are the people who are really connected to the industry, feel about the industry and way forward. A lot of information about how is the real estate really moving and how do you do up your showroom. So it was quite interesting and informative.
So, as far as Sleek International is concerned, what do we expect from it in the coming years? What are your retail expansion plans?
Now, we have a dealer model and we have a retail model. So we have our own company, 31 stores, and we have a dealer model somewhere around 480 stores, out of which 150 do kitchens. But looking back into the past, we realized that there are certain things which we do very well in retail, and there are certain things which we are doing very well in the dealer network. So going forward, we are trying to combine the best practices of retail and wholesale. And in fact, till last year, the company was running as two divisions, Sleek Retail and Sleek Wholesale. This year going forward, it's one. As far as the front line is concerned, we have combined the retail and wholesale. So the entire retail team has got integrated into the wholesale team. With this knowledge which is available with the wholesale group now, we plan to open up 7 states in the country, particularly in South, Punjab, Gujarat and Maharashtra. You can say Punjab, Gujarat, and we are opening up this place, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Now looking at all these 7 states, we are planning to extend the support to the dealers by having designers on our board which will help the dealer in closing, installation on our board which will help in making the consumer experience uniform across board. So in all these 7 states, 4 in the south and 3 Rajasthan, Gujarat and this coming on the north, will have a similar service model of approach going forward.
So you have been a regular at IKC, and what do you expect? What do you look forward to in the next edition of IKC 2015? How should we design it? What are the new things that you would like to see in the new edition?
See, going forward in the IKC, what we had planned that a body getting formed to take the industry queries forward, which this year we saw that the association is formed. Taking that initiative forward, and how Pago Kitchens also tried to explain that a body which will address the issues to the total country at large and take it forward to the next level. That will be the biggest contribution which I would look the Indian Kitchen Congress to take it forward.
Thank you so much, Mr.